Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Netflix's Seaspiracy is a brand new activist documentary wherein UK filmmaker Ali Tabrizi seeks to hear the lid of the moral and criminal corruption of the fishing enterprise. To be fair, that's now no longer what he started, and he started pulling threads on plastic pollutants within the ocean and whale searching in Japan, and because the identity empires ended up in deeper, murkier waters than expected. The movie is from the manufacturer as Cowspiracy, which has become rightfully criticized for being squidgy with the records. So let's see if Seaspiracy is a greater convincing argument for ecological responsibility. Tabrizi portions collectively an open, effective, and now again very well disturbing mosaic portrait of an enterprise left to its very own unscrupulous devices. He now and again murks the waters with first individual stunt document stuff, example near misses with the government who are trumped up as a part of a big cover-up, getting kicked out of the Marine Stewardship Council while the organization slows off this interview request, etc. The middle hassle documentaries like Tabrizi's Face is one in every of the entertainment. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Following closely armed guys as they recognize a trawler complete of lawbreakers simply combats the block-taking head layout of non-fiction films. However, the records of the case are in long-run distance greater convincing. There's additionally hassle of throwing across the word conspiracy, a period presently closely loaded than baked potatoes at a series steakhouse. Like it now no longer, it undermines Tabrizi's movie with whack job tonal implications. Is the depiction of the fishing enterprise any greater to the worldwide conspiracy, say the fossil gasoline enterprise? Both are centuries unique trades deeply ingrained in worldwide commerce, which makes their brutal effects on the surroundings tough to show around. One unsightly enterprise is simply greater popular than the opposite unsightly enterprise. Sure, a number of fishing enterprises' tough moral quandaries arise within the shadows. However, to name its corrupt factors conspirational is short of pointless and hurdle we should leap to get to the corona heart of Tabrizi's passionate, well that mean and in long run convincing assertions. Stream it. Seaspiracy is not the purest shape of documentary journalism. However, Tabrizi makes his factor with sufficient principal persuasions to make it well worth your time. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.